Howdy, this is the project for Team 13, the Avengers for CSCE 436, and we wanted to make this video just to showcase our project, talk a little bit about why we did it, our reasonings behind it, how it works, and what we hope that it can do. And so let's get right into it. So with this, the first, we just want to introduce all our team members. We have Jace Thomas, Tommy Garriga, JP Pham, Brandon Bessanise, Yarub Hussein, and Jonathan Kutch. So, our target domain and context. We were aiming to build an online hardware and furniture ordering experience for Home Depot's customers via using an AR/VR user compatibility. We were really aiming to make this just an overall better online shopping experience, as we know that shopping experiences online, whenever it comes to these big furniture and department stores like Home Depot, can be overwhelming, and it can be really hard for people to shop online whenever they can't actually see the piece of furniture or the appliance that they're purchasing. And so our target audience is commercial contractors. That way they can get a good idea of what they're purchasing, whether they're going to purchase it in bulk or not. Plumbing, HVAC, concrete, electrical, roofing people, all these people who are dealing with home improvements all the time. And also, our biggest one is personal projects for home improvement, home safety, gardening, because a lot of the time, whenever people are doing personal projects, they don't have the majority of the knowledge that they need to do it. And they also don't know exactly how a certain appliance or piece of furniture will fit and look in their house. And so our goal with this was to make a way for them to check out how an appliance or piece of furniture would look in their house before they actually had to purchase it. So, like I just talked about, our target product is a new online ordering interface. We wanted to design a website with good computer human interaction principles, something that is easy to follow, easy to go through, and something that is actually enjoyable to use as well. And so we wanted to offer solutions for users with disabilities, those who are visually impaired and physically restricted, and those that need assistance with gauging furniture size to promote accessibility. And so, like I said, our aim with that was to just help those who, maybe they can't even make it into the store to check out a refrigerator before they buy it. We wanted them to be able to use this AR view to see how it look in their home, make sure that it fits where they want it to go, make sure that it matches how their kitchen or living room or garage or what have you will look with that specific appliance. And so, really quickly, we're going to just run through the prototype for it just to give you guys an idea of what it looked like. So starting off in the app, we would hit Let's Build, head on over to Appliances. Let's go with a French door refrigerator right here, first one. And now as we get to the specific appliances page, we can click right here, this AR view. And this is what our main goal is, so that they could click it and enter the AR view, so that that way they could move around the appliance however they please. They can make it bigger or smaller. The AR view itself should actually have a self-learning size, basically. So the refrigerator will adjust how big and how small it is depending on how you move your camera. But for prototype's sake, this is what we're working with. And so as we do this, we would we would move the fridge around as we would with any other AR view, and they can move the camera. As you can see, they can always hit reset in case for some reason the self-learning size just gets out of whack for some reason. And so, yeah, this would allow customers to see the product, get an idea of how it will look, how it will work in their home before they actually go and buy it. Or it allows them to order from home if they don't really have an option to actually go to the store and get it. And so that was our main goal with this app. We've also added some more features to make it easier on people. Like if we were to proceed to checkout for people who can't come in person, like I said, maybe they're in a wheelchair, they can put in their address, it can be delivery, and then they have this box that they can click if they need it to be installed as well. That way we know, that way if somebody who has a wheelchair, they can't exactly put up the fridge by themselves. And so, yeah, that was our main goal with this prototype, was to just get a working idea of what this AR would be able to do for people. So yeah, back into slideshow. And so yeah, with that, like we said, we just were really aiming to make a better overall experience for online shopping, online ordering with these big furniture and appliance stores. It can be really overwhelming, especially for people who don't have a lot of experience, who don't know what to look for in products. And we were aiming to just make this a little easier for everybody. And we think that by adding this to different apps, maybe starting off with Home Depot, but maybe venturing out into the big stores like Lowe's and then even like Nebraska Furniture Mart, we can create an overall better shopping experience for people that is a little less cluttered and a lot less stressful. So yeah, thank you very much. This has been our presentation.